Hi guys! After I created this card, I thought it might be helpful to show you how to make this turned layer on top of the card. I'm not going to show you how to complete the whole card because it's so easy. You can do all that on your own. Let me get started by telling you I have cut the white layer to 5.5 by 4.25, just like the full size of a card front. And then the top layer, the designer paper layer, is 1/4 inch smaller, which is 5.25 by 4. So I'm going to attach those to each other. And let me see that it's centered. It's pretty well centered. And then I'm gonna put adhesive on the back. I'm gonna put it all over the place, even on the scratch paper behind it, obviously. No, I'm gonna put it all over the background since I don't know yet which pattern I want to show. All right, then I bring my card base in, and I'm going to make sure that I have my index fingers underneath to protect the card from the adhesive. So you can kind of play with it a little bit until you see where you need it. So if I were to place it like this, I want you to pay attention to the bottom here. There's a corner showing. So you always want to make sure that you turn it and pull it down however you want, but to make sure that your corner is covered completely. I think I'm going to like it like that. I'm going to press it down. And then you can either use your scissors, turn it over and cut it down. Excuse me. Or if you have the guillotine cutter, I'm going to use that. And the one place you have to be extremely careful on is that top corner, so you don't cut into your scored line. If you're not comfortable with using the trimmer there, this is the smaller piece, you can just use your scissors and cut that off. It's even, and now you can put it in your trimmer, and you're going to make sure that you line it up with the edge of your card, and then you turn it and do the same thing with the bottom piece. Always make sure that you remove your sticky parts from the cutting blade. And there is your twisted layer. So that is very easy. It is much easier if you adhere the two pieces together and then put it on there. When I played with it at first, I did the white layer and then the designer paper layer. So I had to do everything twice. And then I thought, it's much easier if I just adhere them together first. And like I said, if you don't like a guillotine cutter or you don't have it, you can do it with scissors. Just make sure you go along the edge, keeping it straight. And there it is. Have fun making wonky cards.